Hey everybody, Jason Venata here at Venata Fabrication. You may have seen the video I made on how to make seal braided fuel lines and transmission cooler lines. I'm going to show you all how to make power steering lines that are braided, show quality. I want to make a different video because I don't want people thinking you can do the transmission cooler lines or fuel lines as a power steering line, because you can't, they'll explode. So I buy the line in bulk. I think I buy like 1,000 PSI line, which is good for pretty much anything except for GM power steering. GM power steering pump puts out about 1,400 PSI. That's if you have an old C10 or if you pull an LS motor out of a newer Silverado and you're using that power steering pump, it's still that PSI. If you're doing like an Acme chassis or chop and block or anything with rack and pinion, that's gonna be Ford. It's gonna have around 800 PSI. So you'll want to run a pressure reducer on the power steering pump to still run these same PTFE lines because they're a lot stronger. So here's how we make them. Take your line, got your fitting like this. Just take the end of it off, put it on your line. Try not to poke yourself. So have that up there, have that ready. I just put the line in a glove to get a good grip on it. Then you're going to take this, that goes there. This is called your olive. You put it on there just like that. So try not to poke yourself, then tap it on there. It bottoms out. Then we put a little WD-40 on it. This is kind of tight. Okay, there she went. And that's all there is to it. Once you're done, they're going to look like these lines here. And I get the lines and the fittings. It's a power steering hose kit I get from Concept One. These are the Concept One accessories. These are my favorite accessories. This is what I run on customers' trucks, my truck. Anyway, I had to give you a nice show quality setup. Thanks for watching. Bye.